तर म्हाका क्लियरिफाय करपा जाय ते केस FIR रजिस्टर केलो तो खंयच्या केसा बेजाची केलो काय म्हूण आतां म्हणटा आमी पिताले म्हूण ऑबस्ट्राक्ट केलो गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट ऑबस्ट्राक्ट केलो म्हूण ऑबस्ट्राक्ट खंय केलो तो कळून जाय म्हाका खंय पिताले ते कळपा हांवें ताका सांगलें बाबा लेट हिम फ्लायंग स्क्वॉडा कडेन सगळे मेकॅनिजम घेवन येता न्ही ते ताका पुलीस आसता कोण ताका कॅमेरा आसता सगळे तें दाखोवचें म्हूण म्हाका फुटेज आमी खंय आहलोले खंय मेळ्ळे ताका खंय पिताले ते मेळ्ळे दाखोवपा जाय न्हू हांव ते बासाबास जाताली मॅथ्यू उलयता ते कडेन 10 मिटर आवटसायड पार्किंग लॉट आनी थिंगा आयतालो ताका बाबा कितें जाला म्हणटा आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू टॉक टू यू आय सेड ओके फॉरगेट इट सो तेन्ना थिंग ऑबस्ट्रक्शन म्हणटा जालें ना पूण क्वेश्चन रायज जाता कितें तेणें कंप्लेन करता कंप्लेन केला बाबा मॅथ्यू केंटाकी वंदर आनी मिकी पाचेको पिताले म्हूण पिताले तेन्ना ते फुटेज दाखोवपा जाय तेणें अननेसेसरी कित्याक नांव पिडी करपा जाय हांव तेजें डिफॉर्मेशन कितें करता let him show okay the footage that we were drinking or we were inside a bar okay or we were inside the restaurant let him show one footage okay and let him complain or let him file a case I have no issue
PIN कितना मला
PI म्हणटा ताका आपण मागत म्हणटा ताका फुटेज मागत म्हणटा तुमी भितर आहलोले ड्रिंक भितर दाखोवन दी म्हणटा ताका तो ताका फुटेज मागत म्हणटा सो आय सेड यू टू फुटेज माग ताका फुटेज माग आनी चोय आमी भितर आहलोले हांव भितर मेळ्ळें ताका मॅथ्यू भितर मेळ्ळा आमी भितर पिताले खंय पिताले ताका फुटेज दाखोवन दी न्हू आय डोंट मायंड बट हांवें डिस्कशन केलें ताका भायल्या 10 meters away from his the doorstep and I asked him Baba कितें जालें so I don't want to talk to you this is only I said this is the attitude to talk this is what I asked him otherwise why should I obstruct him there's no way of obstructing the question doesn't arise obstructing but the only thing when the complaint says that me and Matthew were drinking here it says here were drinking
we are both were not together.
When we were not there in the restaurant at all, it was outside. Okay, the person doesn't arise. Let him show the footage, video footage, whatever he got. ते कोणाचे instruction जी केलां जाल्यार हांव नको. But I don't find this is. I will certainly take action against this officer if he doesn't come out with clear-cut evidence. I will take action against him. Let him prove as a government servant, as a government officer, let him prove with evidence that me and Matthew were drinking okay, in the restaurant or else outside also on the parking. Let him prove, let him show the footage. Okay? Or let him, if he cannot show all this footage, let him resign and go from as a government servant. Yes.